Welcome back everyone. I expect you all are doing well in data structure and algorithm. I actually used to upload data structure and algorithm related video on my channel, but today it's different. Okay, so I bit excited, passionate and enthusiastic to share with you a special thing that recently I have built. What I actually built a real-time messaging and calling system. Okay, so this application interface and core functionality inspired by WhatsApp. So you will, whenever you see this or use this application, you find bit similarity between this application. Okay, so let me tell you why I actually built this application. Okay, so my day-to-day life I use this type of software like WhatsApp, Messenger or Telegram for my communication purpose, to communicate with my family, friends and desired person, a right person, right? You must have used this application. Okay, so I had a curiosity in my mind. Whenever I use this application, I type message and hit the send button, and sometimes I hit the call button to call to the right person. So as soon as I type or press the button, instantly this message or call, how does reach to the right person? These things always curious me. So it's curious for a long time. That's why I sit for explore everything what happened after pressing this button. So finally I successfully built this application and explore everything that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so this application core functionality, I mean what backend technology, front-end technology and communication purpose, which technology I use to build this application, definitely I explain it later part of this video today. But one thing I have to say that this is not just a chat application, it's complete full-featured communication system. Isn't it cool? Are you excited as I am? Yes, definitely you are excited as I am. So let's explore everything step by step. All right, so now I'm going to explain this application step by step. So I plan to create this video part by part. So here, as you can see, first part will be creating account and second one will be chat functionality. Okay, and third one will be calling featured, which is interesting, and final one will be brief into about coding and server related functionality. All right, so as it's a chatting application, so I need to create two account, otherwise it's difficult to chat. Okay, so here you can see these two user information. So I use these two information to create two account. All right, so that's why I need to visit that application where I actually hosted that application. So ChatVD is the domain name .live. So as soon as I hit the enter button, then I can see it's a login interface of this application. All right, so if you have login credentials, definitely you can log it in, otherwise you need to create account. So where I will create account, as you can see, it's a sign up link, I mean sign up button. So if I click this link, then I can see it's a create account interface. All right, so now I use this information to create account. All right, so here phone number and its email address. Okay, and here all right, so now if I hit the create account button, account will be created. Okay, so let's see. All right, so now you can see Firoz account has been created. Okay, so I already create some account before. Okay, so in the context of WhatsApp application, if I want to contact with someone, I just save that contact number on my contact list. Then if that number exists on WhatsApp server, then that I can be able to contact with that person. Okay, so similar here, after click this button, you can search by name or phone number. Okay, so I will show it later. So first account has been created and second account will be this one. So here is Dilip. All right, so here actually I use Google Chrome browser. Okay, so I need another browser, so that's why I use Microsoft Edge browser. So here similar, I need to type chatvd.live. Okay, similar interface. So now I need to create account. Here it will be Dilip phone number. All right, and here it's email address and password. Okay, so I use normal password. Actually it's a demo purpose, so you use secure your credential, right? So now if I hit this button, definitely Dilip account has been created. Okay, so now you can see here it's a sidebar. Okay, there is no chat. Actually, this is a new brand new account, so there is no chat list or there is nothing. Okay, so I need to add chat member, I mean my desired person. So here, after clicking new chat button, then this model will be open. So here I can search by name or phone number or email address. All right, so if I type Dilip, Dilip, so DE related name has been suggested. Okay, so if I add this one or this one, if I click, then this person will be added on my contact list. Okay, so at the same time, I can able to see here same thing. If I type Firoz, then I can see Firoz. If I type Dev, so this user comes in. Okay, so like this way I can be able to add the contact list on my chat list, right? So this is all about actually creating account, and in next part I will demonstrate all the chatting functionality, which will be gonna interesting. All right, so move on. All right, so now you can see this window, I mean Dilip user. This user, you can see a window view. Okay, I mean computer view. And Firoz Alam, this is another user, window view. So it's a bit difficult for explain you I mean window view, so I need to small this screen, then I can easily explain it and you will get the better experience. Okay, so that's why I am going to make it mobile view. And yeah, and also this one, sorry. All right, so now you can see this is Dilip mobile view, and this is another user. Okay, so here is there is no chat list, I mean there is no contact number. Here is same thing, so it's a brand new user, that's why. Okay, so I need to add someone. So here Dilip, so Dilip search Firoz, Firoz, Firoz. So Firoz 3 user, different email address. So now I am going to add this one. So as soon as I add here, Firoz also notify that Dilip added him to her to his contact list. Okay, so now I am going to send message to Dilip, I mean as a Dilip. Okay, so say hello. So as soon as I type here, Firoz notify that someone typing. Okay, so if I send it, I mean send this button, then Dilip instantly get this message, and message count is 1. So and deliver at the same time, double tick mark. Okay, so here is double tick mark because of Firoz currently available online. Okay, and if I send another message like say hi, then this 2 message has been delivered and 2 message has been count. So if I click over this message, I mean here, then instantly this blue tick mark, this gray tick mark and delivered tick mark will be changed and it will be blue tick mark. Okay, so if I click over it here, you can see there the color, double tick mark color has been changed. All right, okay, so now if I suppose here, now I say hello. So also Dilip notify Firoz typing. Okay, so if I send it here, so then here Dilip says message arrived. Okay, someone says same thing, delivered message. So if I click over it here, here is color has been changed. Okay, suppose Dilip has been logged out. Okay, so suppose here say again ACLLO hello. So the message sent tick mark, 1 tick mark. Okay, because 1 tick mark, why? Because Dilip is come out from login. Okay, so now if I logged in again Dilip 7. Okay, so now you can see here the message has been sent and delivered as well. Okay, so suppose again I logged out and say where are you, then message has been sent. Now if I logged in here, I can see one message is arrived. Okay, where are you? So here is delivered, double tick mark, and if I click over it here, then delivered color has been changed, double tick mark. Okay, this is messaging feature. So I can also send emoji like love react or something. If I send, then here same, and I can also send photo, picture as well. Suppose where is this is be done. Okay, so I send it here and here as well. And also if I send here from video, and suppose here is video, so now if I send it here, then this message has been sent and also seen. If I play it, if I running it, play it, and then the video is running. Okay, so I also close it from here. And another thing, I can also send a PDF. So suppose this PDF, new PDF send it has been sent, and I also can download it. So if I click over it here, then I can see the download file, and also I can view this picture, and I also can download the picture as well. Okay. Okay, so now, all right, so this is the messaging featured, and here is another thing, that is voice recording, right? So voice, if I click over it here, then I can record my voice. Hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 8 9. Hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Hello. So if I stopped it and send it, then the voice message has been sent. I hope this message also you can hear. Okay, all right, so message has been sent and delivered, seen, everything is working fine. Okay, so I can also react over a message like this, and also reply as well. Suppose nice, so now I can see that, okay, that this boys has replied nice. Okay, all right, so now I move to the next one will be calling. Okay, so I make this video using actually my laptop. So laptop is one device, it has one microphone, one camera, so it's bit difficult for two user. So two user won't be able to access at the same time microphone and camera as well. So I need to make another video using mobile phone. To mobile phone I will make the video, but now I will show you the thing how it actually works. Suppose if I press the audio call, instantly this call will arrive here. So if I call it, press the button, then instantly call is ringing, status is ringing. All right, and I can also mute it, right? I can decline it, receive it. So everything is working nicely. All right, after pressing the cancel button, then this window also has gone instantly. Here I also can show you, suppose Dilip, right? So I need to logged out Firoz Alam. I logged out it from here. So here is Dilip. So I need to log in from my mobile phone. Okay. Here is Firoz Alam. So now you can see this is Firoz Alam. So now I can call Firoz Alam. I can call this account is Firoz Alam. So I can call it. So here is call is ringing. And I can also minimize it. Here you can see I can minimize it. Same thing. And if I receive this call, so now you can see hello. It's working nicely, right? All right, so there is echo sound, making echo for these two devices nearly each other, that's why. Okay, so I just cut this call from this phone, and as soon as I cut this phone, then here also the model has been gone. Okay, so I need to make video call, which is very interesting. So now again, so if I press the video call button, suppose here you can see the video. Okay, so now if I press the yes button, then if I accept it, so now you can see the video call, which is really interesting. Okay, so that's the thing that I want to show with you, and that's the reason why I actually built this application. Actually I had curiosity, I have told you I had curiosity how actually it's work. Okay, I need to cut this call. Okay, actually the back of the mind always curious me how actually this work. So I really feel proud, I really feel amazing the things that I have built. So this is the calling part, and Now I am going to show you the coding part. Okay, so the project, here is the project. Okay, so this is a backend part, and this is front end part, and this is the real-time communication project, which is built by Node and Socket server. Okay, so this is my project, and now I am going to show you the where actually I host this application. Okay, so here it's okay, so I have logged in earlier because it take time to log in. So here is the project, so it's running state, I mean this server is running. So if I stopped it, then I won't be able to access this application. Okay, so suppose I stopped it, and if I refresh it here now, I couldn't be able to access this application. This site can't be reached. Okay, so I will again I will run the server, but now this is all about. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to build these types of software, or if you want to make these types of application for your self, and if you need any help for myself, then definitely I will assist you. And if you need this full project, definitely you have to face something, you have to face something. I will share all the code base definitely, and using my email address, I will share my email address on this video description. You will communicate with me through this email address. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to say in this video today. Thank you very much for listening, and please bear for me. I want to do something for myself and for the community as well. So see you in the next time. Until then, goodbye.